Hi, I'm Zoe, and today we will be learning about weight blocks. There are two different weight blocks. There's this one, which is like wait a certain amount of seconds, and there's this one, which is wait until a certain condition happens. For example, if you wanted to use it, and you wanted to, let's say, go forward and then wait 5 seconds, and then go forward again for one rotation, you could just put a wait in between. Your first lab is to move forward until the color sensor detects the black line. This is similar to the loop lab, but instead you will use a wait block this time. Pause the video to try it out yourself. To do this lab, you want to start moving forward. I'm going to set my movement speed to something a bit slower, like 30, just so it's not too fast. Then you want your robot to wait until the condition happens, and in this case, you want the reflected light intensity to be less than 10, which it means it'll detect the black line. Then you want to add a stop moving at the end to make sure it knows what to do when it finishes the condition. The second lab is a bit more challenging. Program your robot to wait until the touch sensor is being pressed. Then, if the touch sensor is still being pressed after 5 more seconds, make the robot meow. Otherwise, make it bark. To do this lab, you first want to put a forever loop down. Then, you want to wait until the touch sensor is pressed. After it's pressed, you want to wait 5 seconds. If after the 5 seconds, you want to see if it's still being pressed or not. If it's still being pressed, then you want your robot to meow. If it's not being pressed after the 5 seconds, then you want the robot to bark. At the end, you want to wait until the touch sensor is released before you start the program all over again. If you don't add this wait until released block, then you'll replay the whole program all over again, and it's going to go back to the beginning. And if you're still pressing the touch sensor, then the sensor's going to think, oh, okay, I don't need to wait till it's pressed, it's already being pressed. And then you're going to release it because you want to play it all over again, but then it just waits the 5 seconds and realizes, oh, it's not being pressed right now, and plays the dog bark, even if you were going to make it have the cat purr. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time, we're going to be learning about line followers. Bye!